Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to write letter to the editor. This is very important because it comes in class 10 as well as class 12 board exam, and it carries 5 marks. So if you will write it correctly, you will get very easily you will get 5 marks. So we will see how to write letter to the editor correctly. We will see the format and we will see one example, and at the last we will see some common mistakes the students they do while writing letter to the editor. What is letter to the editor? We all know a letter to the editor is a formal letter written to a newspaper to highlight any problem in society like pollution, road safety, garbage issues, price rise, and many more. So generally, we write letter to the editor to newspaper editor. You can say. What is the format of letter to the editor? So first of all, we write sender address followed by date. Then we write receiver address. In this case, the editor. Then the name of the newspaper. Then the city's name. Subject will include body of the letter, and finally your name and signature. So these are the simple format of letter to the editor. Then how to write the content part, body part? So it must have at least 3 paragraphs. It must contain 3 paragraphs. In paragraph 1 you can introduce the topic, introduce the issues, problems related. It will be given in the question. Explain the problems with examples. So write 2 3 paragraph about the problems, explain it, and in 1 or 2 paragraphs suggest some solution and request to take actions from the authorities. So these are the things which is written in the body part. So here is one sample I have taken from the previous year question paper. So the question is like this: you are Hema Hemant, so and so address is given. You are not satisfied with the facilities for tourists in Jaipur. Write a letter in 150 to 200 words to the editor to a local daily giving suggestions on ways to improve the facilities for tourists. So how you will attempt this question? First you will write sender's address in 1 or 2 line. Then write the date after leaving one line gap. Then write the editor, the name of the newspaper like the Times of India. If it is given in the question paper, you have to write only that name of the newspaper. Otherwise, you can write as per your choice. Then the place. Then it is followed by subject and salutation like sir, madam, whatever you may write. Generally, we write, we prefer sir. And the opening lines of letter to the editor is through the columns of your reputed newspaper. Don't start like this. Most humbly and respectfully, I beg to state this is generally written in leave application during your school days time. So don't start like that. You can write through the columns of your reputed newspaper or esteemed newspaper. I would like to raise my voice against insufficient facilities provided to the tourists of Jaipur. And now you can explain the problems in 1 or 2 paragraphs. At last you can give some suggestions, and you can conclude it with the lines: it is my humble request to the concerned authorities to look into the matter and do the needful. And you must close it by adding thanking you or thank you. Thanking you is more formal than thank you, so I would prefer to write thanking you. Then close it with the remarks yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Now we will see some common mistakes which we do while writing the following format of letter to the editor, like sender's address. So what are the points uh, we must keep in focus while writing sender address? So no comma at the end of each line. This must be kept in mind. No full stop after the address. For example, here is an address, sender's address like 42 Green Park Colony. So there is no comma after colony. The name of the place, Delhi, and this one is wrong one, incorrect. 42 Green Park Colony, because here comma someone has put comma, so this is wrong. Then date. Similarly, in date also no comma after the day, no full stop. For example, 22nd November, after November, here comma has been given. So this is wrong. Don't write this date like this 22 slash 11 slash 24. This is also not preferred in exam. So this one is correct format. 22nd November 2025. Then receiver's address. So we are writing letter to the editor. So our receiver will be the editor. The editor must put the before editor, birth editor. Then the Times of India. This is the name of the newspaper, and the name of the newspaper must be preceded by article the. So the Times of India. Then place New Delhi. If you write like this, the editor, comma, the Times of India, it will be wrong. Then how to write subject? After subject, you must give a colon marks. Colon marks must be there. Only the first word of subject will be in capital. No full stop at the end. For example, this is a simple subject, problem of water waste. So in problem, the first letter is capital. In water, first letter is capital. Wastage, first letter is capital. But here, this subject, problem of water waste, here no punctuation, means capital letter has been used, no capital letter, so this is wrong. This is also wrong. Then how do we write salutation? So we generally write sir slash madam. We don't write like respected sir, respected madam. This is incorrect. Complementary clause. So first word capital and no comma at the end. For example, yours faithfully. So here yours faithfully, comma only after faithfully, not after yours. If you give comma after yours, it will be wrong. And don't use capital letters in faithfully, sincerely, truly. It will also be wrong. Don't use full stop. It will also be wrong. So here are some examples I have taken from the students' copy answer sheet. So I have found some common mistakes which I am pointing it to you so that you may not repeat during the exam. Here is an example. The editor. So someone has missed to put the article the before the names of newspaper. Times of India. He has simply written Times of India. So he has forgotten to write article the. So this is the common mistake. Now we will see some more mistake. Here someone has written the editor National Daily. National Daily, sometimes in question in your examination will be given, write a letter to the editor of National Daily. But National Daily is not a name of newspaper. It is a synonym for the word newspaper. So in that case, you have to write the name of the newspaper of your own choice. Even if you are writing National Daily, you must write article there before it. And after that, place is missing. So here are two mistakes. Here you can see the writer, the student here has not mentioned the editor, the Times of India or something else. The editor. It means it is not clear to whom he is writing the letter. So simply writing, he has written sender's address, then date, and after that he has not mentioned the editor, the Times of India, Santinagar, something else. So this is also incorrect. He has forgotten, in this case someone has forgotten to write thanking you or thanking yours faithful. Here no punctuation mark has been kept in mind, so why must be the first letter in yours faithful is must be capital. So this is common mistake we generally do. Here to the editor, don't write to in the editor, simply write the editor, the Times of India. National Daily, again National Daily is not a newspaper, so this is again a mistake. And don't start the letter to the editor like this, I am Richard Khan, a sports captain. This is wrong. You can write like this through the column of your esteemed newspaper or reputed newspaper. This is the way you start the letter to the editor. Someone has written like this to the editor, so this is incorrect. The editor, the Times of India or something else, then place. And be due respect, this is incorrect. Generally we write this in leave application, so letter to the editor is not a leave application, so don't start like this, be due respect, I am so and so. So this is incorrect. Someone has written your only, yours, it should be yours faithfully, yours, then faithfully, Faithfully. And here someone has written your, and nothing else. Rishakan. This is also wrong. So I hope you have understood how to write letter to the editor correctly. If you follow these steps, you will get good marks. It is very easy to write a letter to the editor.